Hello and welcome to the T4 Saturday. We now have a T4 special looking at the hottest rock band in the world. Forget about all the rest. These guys in their day were simply awesome and we're behind the scenes with them at their comeback gig. Check it.
Sledgehammer, man.
Influences. No one really. I'm kind of one of a kind, you know. I'm just unique in every way. Totally original, and no matter what he says, I'm better than him.
I think it was like 32. Yeah, 32.
Yeah, man.
But we got the biggest gig of our lives, man.
It's gonna be awesome.
Gonna be totally epic, dude.
Yeah. Spent hours, loads of money. This guitar, $400. What did you do?
Yeah! Bit of Sidcup, yeah! Woo! Sledgehammer, yeah! Fuck off! Fight the power! Fight the power! Rock on, Sidcup! Yeah!
wasn't such a great idea.
Dude, how did it all go so wrong?
I don't know, man.
You know, that's really upsetting.
One member, one freaking member. What the HE double hockey sticks happened, man? What happened?
What the hate even? I liked it, whatever it was.
The stick shaking.
What the HE shaking with laughter? One member, one freaking member of the audience. I can't it's like,
look away.
He can't look away, it looks really tough. It's just like
Put your hands over your face before. Take 3, come on.
one member, one freaking member. What happened, man? What the HE double hockey sticks happened? I'm furious.
I'm sorry, man. What do you do?
What are you laughing for? That was brilliant. Take 4.
So funny.
What happened, man?
I know, dude.
It's really upsetting.
One person in the freaking audience, one member of the audience. What happened, man? What the HE double hockey sticks happened? I'm furious.
We'll be back.
It's all